Hello everyone, welcome back to Infome Technology. Today we are going to unbox one of the most advanced and reliable ID card printer in the market, Evolis Primacy 2. Designed for high speed and high quality card personalization, the Primacy 2 is ideal for corporate cards, access card, students ID, loyalty card and membership card and many more. Let's take a look what comes inside the box. Inside the box, you will find Evolis Primacy 2 printer, user documentation, power adapter, power cable, USB cable, and card output hopper. This printer features a modern and compact design, making it perfect for offices, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and government organizations. One of the highlights of Evolis Primacy 2 is its user-friendly design. Loading the ribbon is simple and take only few seconds. It can print up to 280 single-side card per hour and 170 dual-side card per hour, making it perfect for medium and large card production. The intuitive LED indicator helps user easily monitor printer status. It features USB and Ethernet connectivity with optional Wi-Fi support and include a 100 card feeder that can be expandable to 200 card for higher production. Thank you for watching our unboxing video. For more inquiries and best pricing, contact at Infome Technologies LLC. See you in next video.